So hi, I've created a web app. His title, my name, Maddox, username, city, country, and date. It's an weather Qt app created with pi-site 6 in Python. Here's the code. So here's the main file, weather.py. It's importing request library widget class from this main file which I have created. Here the widget is being inherited. Now I have used pi-site 6 to create this app and open geocode to get latitude and longitude of the city name. Now I have created inside the main widget class, I have created a whole layout named search, which will have following widget: label, enter city name, which will containing label, enter city name, and search bar, and a button to get weather, and below app layout. Now if the button is pressed, I will take the input which is entered in the search bar and used it to get latitude and longitude. If city name is invalid, OpenGeoCode will return a list which is empty. So if the list is empty, I will create another label which will contain invalid city name and add it into the main app layout. The main app layout is using vertical. So if whether below search bar or the invalid city name label will also be below search bar in vertical way. Okay. So, but if the city name is valid, I will get latitude and longitude and use Open Weather Map. I have used Open Weather Map API and put latitude and longitude inside this URL and use request library to get weather dictionary, and I have created widgets with labels containing weather fields like minimum temperature, maximum temperature, humidity, and add all these widgets to another layout called weather, and add this to main app layout. So this is it, and to run this weather.py. So here's the file. Now it's quite bare bones. I didn't have time to improve looks of it. My college is getting started next week. So here I enter my city. So here's the, wait a minute. Here's the temperature feels like minimum temperature, maximum temperature, and humidity. Now you can ignore these warning. I'm using GNOME and it uses GTK toolkit, but I have created this in Qt. Let's run one more time. Let's see if I enter invalid city name. Okay, it's showing invalid city name. So yeah, it's working fine, I think, and I'll stop.